Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rinku Art, and today in this video I'll show you how to draw a sailboat. But this video is specially for kids, and here I am not going to show any character designing. So if you are interested, you can watch this video and learn something which is very simple to draw. Yeah, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
First I'll draw a vertical line. Okay, I hope it is visible to you all. Now from here, suppose this is the middle line, middle point, and I am drawing a horizontal line, but it's not exactly straight. Okay, so it will be little down towards the end. You can use your ruler, but here I am doing with my hands, with my free hands. So what I am doing, I am extending little bit from the front. If it is the middle point of this straight line, from here I am extending a little bit. Okay, so this is the basic starting point you have to do to get the shape of the sailboat. So what I'll do next, I'll draw this line. This is a slant line, or it's not vertical. If you want to say it's vertical but tilted. Okay, so now I'll draw a little more up to here, and now again from here I'll draw it straight, and here I'll draw straight. It's a vertical line. Okay, fine. But what I have done here, I'm not pressing my hand to draw this line, just lightly I'm drawing this line because I'll draw something else over here. Okay, so up to this I hope you have understood. And now next what I'll do, this line is there, and I'll put a point over there. Before the end point I'm putting on point over here, and I'll draw a curve like this. Got it? Next I'll draw a straight line from here, starting from this point and ending to this point. So let me check if it is getting that point or not. That's why I'm drawing very lightly. Later on I can make it darker like this. Now again, coming to the front side, at the beginning I can take a point over here, or I'll leave some space from the beginning and I'll put a point over here. Now from this point I have to make a line touching this point, but this time it will not be a straight line, rather it will be little curve. Okay, see how I'm taking that line. Don't press the pencil too hard, because later on if it is not touching the point over here, then you need to erase it. Try not to use your eraser, and make your mind in such a way that it will touch the point where you have targeted. Okay, this point is there, and here another point is there. So now what I'll do, I'll take a little space from here to here, and assuming here a point, and I'll draw a line along this. If you want, you can extend a little bit the space I am talking about, not the line. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take the line from here, but what I'll do, I'll make this line little broader at the end here, and then I'll join it. So it will give you a good feel of this, what you call this, cloth. Now next as we have done this one, we'll draw here as well, like this. And while drawing this, you should not stuck your hand on the floor or on the base. Instead, you should keep very lightly so that it will move very freely. Okay, that's a good point. You should note it down. You should not stuck your hand like this and draw. But this is a small area, that's why it's okay for you. You can use it. But if it is needed, then you can move your hand freely. Okay. Now you can see sailboat is somewhat ready. So what is left? Now what I'll do, I'll extend this line a bit like this, and I'll draw the flag. Okay, see how I'm drawing it. Up and little down, then again up, then down, like this. Okay, from here also the same formula, but while it is going towards the end, it will be narrower. Here it is broad. If you want, you can make it little thin if you want. I do also want, that's why I'm lazy. And if you want more simpler, then you can put a simple triangle like this. It will also work. But this will give a feeling like the air is there and the flag is moving here and there. So I like this. Okay. So now I'll make a little darker. After completing this rough, you can use the ruler to make your line perfect. But if you have confidence, you can use your hand. It's more than enough. It's not yet completed, but I am making the lines a little darker as I am thinking this will not change further. So I am making it darker. Okay. And now I'll make the base like this and like this. So it's almost done. Now this baseline I have drawn earlier, I'll erase a little bit, but the lines are visible. Why? Because I'll draw the water. And now the design of the flag. You can make your own. If you have any design in your mind, then you can make that too also. You are free to design your flag, your cloth, this area. So now it's done, but here I'll add something else. What? That is cloud. Simple cloud like this. Fine. And I'll do the dark lines. If you want, you can turn the page like this. Here I am checking the drawing from all the angles. So here the sailboat is red now. and please let me know if you like this kind of drawings, and this is especially for the kids, and I hope elders can also take the benefit of these videos which I am going to upload very soon. Yeah, if you are here for the first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I used to upload drawing videos. It may be for kids or for the elders. I used to do the character designing, so if you like drawing, then please subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And one more thing, if you want what equipments or what gadgets I am using, then please check out my description box. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll meet you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.